Alright, can you see this? It's kind of foggy, it's awful cold. I am driving home from camping and it rained like you wouldn't believe last night. And now I have to cross a torrent. The road is completely washed out here. We're looking at about, I don't know, a foot of water or so. Hopefully we can make her through. Crazy! Absolutely crazy. I can do it my window. These water's coming in. Alright, we're almost through it. Well, hopefully this turns out okay. It's just condensation on the screen, I hope, but there we go. Through the lake.